Hello and welcome. I want to talk to you today about something powerful, something that can transform your life and your relationships. If you're here, you're probably ready to manifest the love of your life, to connect deeply with your soulmate. And I want to show you exactly how to do that. Now, most people go through life searching for love in all the wrong places, trying to force things to happen, waiting for life to change. But what if I told you that everything you need to bring your soulmate into your life is already within you? You already possess the power to attract the love you desire, it's not out there somewhere. The key is understanding the way your mind works and how to align your thoughts and feelings with the life you want to create. The first thing you must understand is that your outer world is a reflection of your inner world. This means that everything you experience, every relationship, every situation, is a result of what you are thinking and feeling within yourself. If you've been experiencing unfulfilling relationships or struggling to find love, it's time to look inward. You must begin by changing your self-concept. How do you see yourself in the context of love and relationships? Do you see yourself as deserving of deep, unconditional love? Do you believe you are worthy of a soulmate who cherishes and respects you? If not, this is the first step to take. To manifest your soulmate, you need to start by feeling the love that you desire right now. I know this might sound a little strange, but hear me out. The feeling of love you seek cannot be found outside of you, it must come from within. You have to create the feeling of love in your own heart, as if the person you want to meet is already in your life. This is where the real magic happens. Take a moment to think about the qualities you want in a soulmate. Close your eyes and feel the love you desire as if it's already present in your life. Feel the excitement of meeting them, the joy of spending time together, the peace of knowing they are the perfect match for you. This is not just a mental exercise, it's about truly feeling those emotions in your body. The more you practice this, the stronger the energy you're putting out into the universe. You might wonder, how do I know if I'm doing this right? The key is to pay attention to how you feel. When you focus on the love you want, do you feel happy, excited, or peaceful? Or do you feel anxious, fearful, or uncertain? If you feel any negative emotions, you're not yet aligned with the love you seek. You need to shift your focus and find that inner peace, that inner joy. When you can do this, you'll begin to attract that same energy into your life. Now, here's something really important. You must believe, without a doubt, that what you desire is already yours. Doubt and fear are powerful blockers when it comes to manifestation. If you constantly question whether or not it will work, you're sending mixed signals to the universe. You need to trust that your soulmate is already on their way, that the love you desire is already here in spirit, and it's just a matter of time before it materializes in physical form. But how do you maintain that belief when you don't yet see the evidence in your life? The answer is simple, through faith and imagination. Faith is not about having proof, it's about believing in something that hasn't yet appeared in the physical world. Imagine that your soulmate is already in your life. Picture the life you will share together. See the joy, the laughter, the connection. The more vividly you can imagine it, the more real it becomes. It is through your imagination that you are able to shape your reality. Another key principle is to live in the feeling of your wish being fulfilled. Imagine, for a moment, that you're already married to your soulmate. How would you feel? Would you feel content, loved, supported? Would you feel at ease knowing that the person of your dreams is already by your side? These are the feelings you need to nurture within yourself. You must live as though your soulmate is already with you. This might be challenging at first, especially if you've been single for a long time or have experienced disappointment in relationships. But it's important to know that the universe responds to your feelings, not your circumstances. Even if you're single right now, if you can live in the feeling of love and joy, you are attracting that energy into your life. The law of attraction works through your vibration, and when you vibrate at the frequency of love, you will begin to draw that same energy to you. One important thing to remember is that you are not waiting for the perfect person to come into your life, you are aligning yourself with the perfect energy for that person to appear. It's not about finding someone who is a perfect match, it's about becoming a perfect match for the love you seek. When you align your inner world with the love you want, you create the space for that love to enter your life. So, how do you do this? It's all about self-love. The more you love yourself, the more you will attract someone who loves you just as much. You cannot attract someone who values you if you don't value yourself. Take the time to nurture yourself, to heal old wounds, and to build a healthy relationship with yourself. When you love and accept yourself completely, you are in the perfect position to attract the love of your life. When you love yourself, you naturally begin to believe that you are worthy of true love. You stop settling for anything less than what you truly desire, and you begin to expect the best for yourself. This expectation is key. The universe responds to your expectations, so if you expect to meet someone who truly matches your energy, you will. But if you settle for less, that is what you will receive. Another important aspect of manifesting love is letting go of attachment. I know it might sound counterintuitive, but when you hold on too tightly to the idea of a specific person or a specific outcome, you can block the flow of the universe. It's important to desire love but to release any attachment to how or when it will happen. Trust that the universe has a plan for you, and that your soulmate is already on their way. At the same time, you must be open to love in all its forms. Sometimes, the universe sends us love in unexpected ways, and we must be open to receiving it in whatever form it appears. Don't limit yourself by holding on to rigid ideas about how your soulmate should show up in your life. Be open to the possibility that love may come in ways you never imagined. I want to remind you that your thoughts are powerful. Every thought you think is a seed being planted in the garden of your life. When it comes to love, it's easy to fall into negative thinking patterns, especially if you've experienced heartbreak or disappointment. But you must rise above those thoughts and focus on the love that you want, not the lack of it. Every time you think about love, choose thoughts that empower you, thoughts that affirm the love you deserve is already on its way. So, to manifest your soulmate, remember, it's all about creating the feeling of love within yourself, believing that it is already yours, and trusting that the universe will bring you what you desire. When you align your inner world with the love you seek, it will come to you effortlessly. You don't need to search for love anymore, you need to become the love you seek. When you do that, you will draw your soulmate into your life, and you'll create a love that is deep, fulfilling, and everlasting. Start today by feeling the love you desire. Live in that feeling as if it is already yours. Trust that it is on its way, and allow it to come to you in its perfect time. Your soulmate is already out there, and by changing your inner world, you are bringing them closer to you every single day. Remember, your soulmate is not a far-off dream or something that's impossible to find. They are already out there, waiting for the right moment to come into your life. You are the one who must change, align, and open yourself up to the possibilities of love. The universe will respond accordingly. When you align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with love, there is no limit to the kind of relationships you can manifest. If you felt frustrated or discouraged in your pursuit of love, I want you to know that this is the moment to shift your thinking. Don't let past disappointments hold you back. You have the power to create the love you desire. The universe has a way of bringing people together at the perfect time. Trust the process, trust yourself, and most importantly, trust that your soulmate is out there waiting for you. Now, I want to thank you for taking the time to explore this with me today. If you found this information helpful, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel. By subscribing, you'll stay connected to more insights like this that can help you on your journey. Don't forget to share this with someone who might also benefit from hearing this message.